Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki and a team don carry waka go reach the families of the two people wey kpai of stray bullet during the last Saturday, February 25 presidential and National Assembly election for Benin City. The victims na late Festus Idahosa, 33 years old, and late Mrs. Elizabeth Owie, 43 years old, wey be mama to 3 children wey be 8, 6, and 4 years old. As Festus Idahosa family dey live for Okpasapumba, the family of late Mrs. Elizabeth Owie dey live for Ogheghe, Sapele Road for Benin City. As the governor show him sadness for the kasala for the state, him assure the family say police don begin do torchlight for the matter and dem go make all the people wey dey do evil work to face justice. As him dey follow one of the family wey their person kpai talk, him say e dey very sad as the young man go perform im civic responsibility and duty, but dem come kill am sake of some people believe of wetin power suppose be.
Whatever we do will not replace that life. And as you can see, it's very, very sad because he was a young man who came to perform his civic duty. And his life was cut short because of people's irresponsibility and perception of what power should be. So it's really sad that this sort of violence, electoral violence, still happens at this stage of our development. Really sad. And as a government, we'll, all measures are in place to find out the perpetrators, find out what really happened, and we'll make sure appropriate steps are taken and justice is we get to justice. Investigations, I'm told, are in high gear, so we'll just wait for a few more days to see what the police has to say.
Mr. Lawrence Ogheghe, wey be the senior brother to the late Festus, say him late brother just finished the 1-year NYSC and na from Port Harcourt wey he dey stay na he take come Edo to vote, but thugs come kill am.
It was this place, but some boys just came and opened fire on them as they were counting. Then they've already counted the presidency, according to them, that they were counting the senatorial vote. So a group of boys just came and they opened fire on them. Everybody was running. So I saw a lot of slippers. I said, even me, I turned. So as the guy was like trying to pass in between these woods like this, some they will always create a pathway. So they on their thought, they said, see one on the ground here. So behold, before I came down, the other person I carried my front of car, he came down before me. As he looked, it was Festus.
Edo State Chief of Staff Honorable Osaigbowo Iyoha and other government ogas dem na follow am for the visit. From Benin City, Taiwo Ayeni, TMC TV News.